We're so excited today to be joined by our dating expert, Kimmy Seltzer, this afternoon. It's a big day.
It's a big day. We had you on a few weeks ago to do a makeover for Lisa. We're going to do the big reveal for Lisa in just a few moments, so stay with us. But Kimmy, can you start by telling us about the process of the makeover? What was Lisa looking for, and what did you all do?
Well, we started from the outside, and that's what you're going to see, and how the outside shifted her inside. And so I took her through kind of this big virtual makeover that we did first to get a new style. That was the very first thing. She got a haircut. She also took my flirt workshop, which was huge, and a lot of things shifted for her then with the confidence. And then she actually has a story to tell because of all these things that happened to her. And then she's going to come to my live workshop in Denver, July 11th.
Yes. That's exciting. When you are working with clients, is it a pretty similar formula? I hate to say that every time, though, but what is your process here?
Yeah, well, most experts work from the inside out. And believe me, I think the inside is super important because I'm a therapist. But I actually work from the outside in, because when you work on, especially as women, things that make us feel good on the outside, it shifts our energy, it shifts our body language, and then we're marketing ourselves, and that's what creates the confidence within.
I 100% understand that, get that. I'm just so excited. So before we bring out Lisa, okay, let's quickly remind our viewers what she looked like last time she was here, because this was before the makeover, okay? Yes. All right, take a good look. And now let's show you what she looks like after the makeover. Lisa, come on in, girl. Lisa! Beautiful. You always looked beautiful, but you were just radiant.
It's pretty exciting, isn't it?
You look great. Have a seat. Oh my gosh, I have a million questions for you.
No, oh my gosh, Lisa. Okay, so first and foremost, when you were turned towards the mirror, what was the first thing that you noticed?
Oh, well, was it me? Like, is it really me? But
does it feel like you?
Yeah, it does feel like me. It just feels like me from a while ago when I, felt better. But now I'm excited about the new me and how I look and how I feel, and I am ready to do some dating.
Yeah! I remember when you were here last, and you had picked out the outfit at the time because you said it was like fun. You liked the pattern. So this is different. It's a solid color, beautiful dress, but does it feel fun? Do you love like the shape and the fabric? And
I do.
It looks great.
I love the cute flirty skirt.
Yes.
And I love the sleeves, and the color is a perfect color for me. So yes, I do love it. It's probably shorter than what I'm used to, but I am just gonna show off the legs.
Yes!
And work it.
And can I just say, there were even like the cameramen didn't recognize her when she came in, And so I just want to say it's a true testament to your new energy and your new sexy confidence.
It's true. And what I love about Kimmy too is she really does bring out the best in everybody, right? She works. She
does.
I know you work on the outside. You also work on the inside. So both, I want to hear from you. What has been like the biggest part of this transformation?
Yeah, well, Lisa, I would love for you to kind of share some of the like aha moments and the lessons that you learned along the way. And she has a story. If we can tell that.
yeah.
Go, Lisa.
Well, so I'll tell the quick story, and that is I was getting ready to photograph a wedding, and there was a man coming up into an elevator, and I came around the corner, and I saw him, and I said, "You waited for me."
Confident.
Like this,
wow.
Can you believe it?
I couldn't do that.
And he said, "I did."
Look at you,
Yeah.
flirtatious. Okay.
Yeah. And so there was a couple of those instances with this gentleman, and then I had to go to work. So I saw him going into the elevator. I ran over, handed him my business card.
Yes, you
and
did.
And I said, I would love to continue our chat. And then the elevator doors closed.
Okay, it's a meet cute and a rom-com, first of all.
I was just going to say, total rom-com.
Someone's going to make a movie next Christmas about this.
Oh my God.
She told me, I'm like, who are you? Like, who? But it is her. And the thing that, like, and that was right after the flirt workshop.
Yeah,
right?
a couple days after that.
Yeah.
Look at the side by side. How does that make you feel when you're looking at this picture? Because like you just said, Kimmy, it's the full makeover. This confidence, you saying you waited for me, all of that is represented. How does that feel?
It feels really good, like just exciting, and I feel more like myself. I really do feel more like myself, which is really exciting. And I'm just ready, like I notice more about other people noticing me. And I've had other people, like in my networking groups, they notice me. They're like, we see you, and like I'm wearing solid colors and just changing kind of how I walk into the room too.
Kimmy, I feel like it's so important to hear her recognize herself, because if you were just teeing yourself up and playing a character, this wouldn't last. This wouldn't work. It has to be you.
It has to be you. And if it's going to work in the dating environment, I believe it has to be me. It can't be some facade or some persona. It has to be me.
Oh my gosh, I'm just in awe. Final thoughts, we have 30 seconds.
Final thoughts is, I call this the charisma glow. It's the name of my podcast is called The Charisma Quotient, and this is what happens when people start recognizing this, and it's her, and now she's marketing herself in a whole different way.
Oh my gosh.
And that's what's going to create opportunities. In fact, anybody who wants to have a date with Lisa, go to kimmyseltzer.com/Denver. I have a live workshop July 11th. Lisa will be there, and I am partnered up with Archipelago? I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but it's a great like social house where we're gonna do some flirting, some mingling, and learning in a co-ed space.
And perhaps when you come back, we'll get to find out how the dating has gone.
Oh,
All right?
we plan on it.
So stay tuned for that, and you look gorgeous. I know Beauty by Destiny Travis did your hair, your makeup, phenomenal. She nailed it, and I'm so glad that you feel like yourself again. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ladies.
All right, thank you so much, Kimmy. Thank you. We'll see you soon, I hope.